Hi guys, this is going to be a video on burned out fan and a World Dryer hand dryer. This fan no longer works. This is though one of my more favorite fans. The name of it is Pen Zephyr. If there was a logo, sometimes they would have a stupid logo of World's Quietest. Never the World's Quietest. As you can see in there, that motor, yeah, it's not World's Quietest. It uses a big motor. The blower, like the blower wheel, is made of metal. These fans, don't forget to check out Smarty Fan Man and more, my videos that I used to do before I stopped doing it. The model is ZJ1-RA. As you can see, it looks like I don't know what happened here, but the grill fell. It uses 2 screws. Big light. This restroom actually doesn't have a switch, so that's why. But anyways, down here is the World Dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and test it for you guys. Just an old World Dryer hand dryer. Anyways guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.